Hi everyone, welcome back to the Jolie Beauty channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to get this super cute unicorn inspired look for Halloween. So if you want to find out how, then keep on watching. So my base is already on, and I've used Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation in the shade 7.5 and the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And I'm going to take the Vivacious palette. This is the shade Pucker, which is a deep pink purple. With that, I'm going to take the Mythical Dreamers brush, and this is the I-10 brush, which is an angled liner brush, and I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my brows. Next, I'm going to go back in with my concealer and a flat top brush. This is the Born This Way concealer again. The flat top brush I'm using is the I-08 brush from the Mythical Dreamers set, and I'm just going to go back in and carve out those brows to really make them neat. I love using these mini beauty blenders just to blend out the harsh line. I'm taking the I-05 brush and I'm going in with the shade Doll Face from the Vivacious palette. I'm packing the shade all the way into my crease without going above the crease, just to get a really solid colour. Then I'm taking a blending brush, this is the I-03. I'm going to slowly start blending out the edges of the colour that I've just put on, and then I'm dipping into the shade Sweetie and adding that in. Just keep adding and blending the two colours together until you get a perfect gradient. Yep, we're back to the concealer. I'm going to take the number 8 eye brush again and use the concealer to carve out the crease of my eyelid. A really good technique for this is to add a little bit concealer onto the eyelid, look all the way up, and the concealer that's transferred to the top of your eyelid is where the crease should end. Next up, I'm taking the shade Juicy and just patting that everywhere that we've put the concealer. I'm going to quickly tight line my top waterline using the Illamasqua Precision Gel Liner in the shade Infinity. Using the Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm going to start out by just making a simple cat eye wing. I made sure to bring the eyeliner really far into that inner corner to get that lovely cat eye effect. To get that unicorn look, we're going to make a false lower waterline. To do this, I'm just sketching out where I want that waterline to be with the tattoo liner. Don't worry about making this too neat. Then I'm going in with the I-06 brush and the shade Pucker, and I'm just going to go over that line with the shadow. Next I'm going in with the IO9 brush, which is a pencil brush, and the black from the Wildfire palette, and I'm just going to go in and deepen and darken that line. Pop that inner corner, I'm just going to take the white shade from the Unicorn Dreams highlighter palette and just place that on the inner corner of the eye. And a touch just underneath the brow bone too. It's glitter time! I'm taking the Bomb.com Pressed Glitter palette, and this is the shade Pixie, and I'm just going to pat a touch of this all over my eyelid. It's really important to use a stiff flat brush for glitter application. Next up we're on to lashes. These are the Slaying lashes in the style Ottilie. I'll be using our lash applicators to apply these alongside our Lash Lock glue. This glue really does all the work when applying lashes, but make sure to let the glue go a little bit tacky before you apply. For the bottom lashes, I'm cutting up a pair in the style Olivia, and I'm just taking the inner corner of the lashes and cutting them into 4 sections. I'm then popping those lashes onto that fake lower waterline that we created earlier. Next we're on to jewels. I'm just going to use the top sections of this pack just to add a little bit of shimmer to my look. Next I'm taking the number 4 face brush and I'm just putting this into the shade Pucker again. And I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones to make a purpley pink contour. This brush seriously does all the work for the blending, it's amazing. Next I'm taking the number 4 angled blush brush and I'm just dipping that into Doll Face, and I'm just going to use this as a blusher. I'm also just going to take a little bit of that pucker shade down the sides of my nose with the number 1 eye brush. again. This is our biodegradable festival glitter in the shade Summer of Love. I'm going to mix this with our Glitter Fix gel. First of all, I'm going to pat the gel onto the parts of my face where I want the glitter, and then I'm going to take a flat brush and pat the glitter on top. Sometimes I like to use my fingers just to pat in and kind of blend the glitter into the skin a little bit more. I'm using the concealer again and a buffing brush just to blank out my lips, just to get rid of any colour. Then I'm going in with the Air Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Romance. I'm doing a basic liquid lipstick application on my top lip, but I'm leaving my bottom lip completely blank. Then using the number 10 eye brush, I'm just extending the line of the lip outwards. When I get to the point of where I want the line to end, I then bring the line back towards the lip, creating a little triangle. After that, I just need to fill the triangle in. Then I just added in a straight line to connect my nose to my mouth, and then created this cute little straight nose to give that unicorn appearance. A little pray here because I hate putting on wigs, and this one looked especially complicated. The unicorn headbands make everything better, and after I put this on, I was good to go. And there you have our completed unicorn look. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are also giving one lucky winner the chance to win the bomb.com palette that we used in this tutorial. So if you'd like a chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment below what Halloween look you'll be rocking this year. We'll be drawing our winner on the 31st of October, so good luck everyone.